Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on this beaut. In today's video, I'm going to get the gearbox off, do the rear main oil seal, replace the fuel filter. We're going to drain out all the brake fluid, renew all the brake fluid. We're going to do the diff oil, gearbox oil. I believe that's all we've got left on the list to do. Let's get it over there and let's get cracking. Right guys, we're over here, it's happening, we've finally got some ramp time, she's on the ramp, today's the day. Gearbox coming out, rear main oil seal, all the brake fluid changed, fuel filter, diff oil, box oil, all good. And also, I dug out my old Cosy box, let me turn you around the show. Old Cosy box I had in the Mark II Escort. Back gearbox was fully rebuilt. It done less than 1,000 miles before I ended up busting the car up. I'm not going to use that bed housing and the hydraulic conversion. We'll swap the bed housings over, but that's been sitting around for ages. I know that that's absolutely pucker, so I'd rather throw that in there. There's nothing wrong with that box, but may as well put it to good use knowing that that's done less than 1,000 miles, so that's going in. And then the other one, well, I can just stay there as a spare, whatever, it don't really matter, it don't bother me. But I don't know the history of that box, so it's probably fine. We've drove it, seems good as gold, but I know that's brand spanking inside. So, happy days. I managed to dig that out. It's a bit dusty, I'll clean it off. But yeah, that's what's happening today. That's going in as well, so a bit of an extra bonus. I just said, well, while the boxes are off, I'd rather have my brand new one in there. So yeah, that's what's happening. I'm going to let him crack on. I'll get some time lapse and I'll see you in a bit. People, as you just see. So I'm going to rip the rear main out, clean all this, put the new rear main in. Clutch is all sweet. It's got a Motorcraft clutch in it. Motorcraft, there you go. Clutch is fine. Everything's all right. So that'll be all good to go. I wasn't expecting it to be knackered, but yeah, making progress. Pop back in the mode, give you an update. It just said to me, if you're fitting a rear main oil seal, always leave it on this plastic sleeve, don't take it off, because if you try and push it in up there, the rubber seal might roll back and then sort of ruin it, it'll just piss out of oil. So what he said to do is leave it on there, put it over, tap it on, and then you can push it over that securely. He said spray it with a bit of spray silicone, and then it'll, once you've located that, smashed it home, this will then slide straight off of that and into situ where it's supposed to go. He's going to show me how he's doing it. So he's just pushed it on whilst it's on the plastic bit. And then it slides straight off.
And just knock it
and then it stops it rolling back on itself. So then that's all going to be in and sealed. He's going to just tap that in and that'll all seat up nicely, as it should do, and you shouldn't have no more leaks. A lot of people pull them straight off of that bit of plastic, and that's where they get problems, because it rolls back on itself and it won't seal properly. So you're just going to tap that home, and then that's that in correctly. Right guys, box on, everything back together. Just went to change fuel filter. We got the wrong fuel filter, nice. So that can't be done. Yeah, bell housing swapped over, speedo drive in, everything's back in, all looking good. Anti-roll bars all back on. I forgot to mention we're going to do all the auxiliary belts as well. They've all turned up now, so we're going to crack on with that. And I'll pop back in a mo. There we go, exhaust back on. It's just bolted all that up. That's hanging right. Oh, can't show you that yet. There we go, she's all on, all good. Auxiliary belts and brakes, have a bit of lunch, crack on with that, and we'll see you in a bit. There we go. I'm going to do all the auxiliary belts now. I didn't bother getting cheap ones, so I won't use spunky Euro stuff. I've got Gates belts for this. So I'm going to put you on time lapse, let him crack on with that. There we go, that's all the belts back in, all sorted. He's just in there bolting the gear stick back up. We're going to drain all the brake fluid out, change all the brake fluid, and I'll put you on time lapse. We'll crack on with that and I'll be back in a bit. Drained all the system out. We've got OEM forward brake fluid going in. Going to fill it up, bleed it through, flush some through, and then bleed it all up. So I'll let him crack on. See you in a bit. Guys, what do we reckon? I'm not mad on these diamond cut wheels. Do you reckon I should refurb these back to OEM? Yeah, Lee agrees and all. I'm not feeling them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Leave them diamond cut or go and get them refurbed back to silver OEM spec. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. There we go, guys. The brakes are all bled. Just topped the coolant up because this top hose was leaking. So he's pulled it forward and done it up. And the belts down there, all sorted. Everything good. Brake pedal spot on. That's all done. They're all bled through. Looking good. Gearbox works. See if he's done his job right. Yeah, she's fine. Oh, get it over the ramp.
Do you like containers?
He hates them. Right, just run it down the lane. All the gearbox spot on as to be expected. We just got to adjust the exhaust. It's just tapping on the back bumper, so we've just got to rotate it around a touch to stop it vibrating on there. We'll do that, and then hopefully that's everything all sorted. So I'll let him crack on with that, and I'll be back in a bit. Right, take two. Please turn. See whether the exhaust is a rattler.
Ain't rattling.
Ain't rattling, we just heard him.
Well done.
There we go, sorted. There we go, guys, today's little mission all wrapped up. Everything's sorted out now. In the next video I'll drag it down, we'll give it a proper clean, we'll go around it, we'll work out all the things we need to sort out on the paintwork, the bodywork. We'll give it a full-on inspection and sort of go from now. Let me know what you think about the wheels. I don't like the diamond cut wheels. I'd prefer them to go back to standard. Leave us a comment, like I said earlier. Let me know what you think, and we'll go from now. As normal, thanks for watching. Massive welcome and hello to all the new subscribers. And if you ain't subscribed already, hit that button, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.